Today, I'm going to show you how to save cellular data on Instagram. On your profiles page, click on the hamburger button on the upper right corner of your screen. Then, click Settings. Afterwards, click Account. Near the bottom of the screen, you will see the Cellular Data Use link. Click on it. Turn on the Data Saver option. When this is turned on, contents will not load in advance, thus saving on cellular data consumption. Within the Data Saver section, there is also an option to disable high-resolution media. Click on it. By default, it is set to download only high-resolution media on Wi-Fi connection. There is also an option to never download high-resolution media at all. On the other hand, they can also be downloaded on either Wi-Fi or cellular connection.